Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing mirror reflective sheets. So this will mimic a mirror effect. So once we peel this off and show you, you guys will understand. And we're going to put it back here from our computer gaming lights. So it's going to reflect back, and at night it's going to look really cool. So you're going to go ahead and peel the first layer off, and then there's going to be a second back layer that you peel off that will be sticky. So this will be reflecting whatever you want to reflect. Alright, so this is just one idea that you can get from this. So as you see, it reflects directly back. So once it's dark and at night, it's really going to shine up and show. So that's just one thing that you guys can do with it. There's hundreds, you can use it as a mirror. Now keep in mind, whatever background you're using, if there's ripples in it, you're going to see the ripples as you can see here. So keep that in mind. If you are going to use it as a mirror, try and have a perfectly smooth, straight back. If you don't, you're just going to have these ripples.